This thing is an Exerpeutic folding exercise bicycle. Let's set it down here for a second. Just for the record, that is an Exerpeutic folding recumbent exercise bicycle, and that over there is an Exerpeutic inversion table in the corner over there. I've had very good luck with Exerpeutic equipment. Full disclosure, a friend of mine gave me this, so it's not absolutely brand new. I do like that. I like them a little bit broken in when I can get them, so they've got some miles on them. It's easier to judge their quality that way. So I was pretty happy that it came available to me. Here we have a close-up of the Exerpeutic exercise bike. This is a soft padding. Here you've got the heart monitor sensors. Here you've got the readout with all of the different information. This allows you to clear the readout. There's your tensioner adjustment. Down here you have a knob to adjust the height of the seat. And you've got some good padding on the seat itself. Here you have the actual mechanism with the pedals. You also have wheels on the bottom for ease of movement. Let's undo the pin and fold it out. It's a good workout, I can tell you that. It has a much more solid feeling than something that folds. You know, something folds, you expect it to not really be particularly solid, but this has a good solid feel to it. I have to say, I really like it. I like this Exerpeutic folding exercise bicycle. I think it's great for someone that doesn't have a lot of space. I think it's excellent for senior citizens. It's easy to move around. Just about anybody can handle it. For the type of product that it is, it's a good value and a good product. I tell you, I'm really happy that I got it, and I'm really happy that I was able to make this video for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Be sure and hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. It's your comments that let me know what you're thinking, and I want to know what you're thinking. And while you're out there running around in the world, I want you to know that my wish for you is that you have a great day, and my wish for you is that you have a great life.